Hello programmers, welcome to Knowledge Kida. Today we will see how to write image. If you want to explore OpenCV, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. For that we will create one Python file cv underscore imwrite dot py. Okay. Now first thing we do always is importing the OpenCV package. So import CV2. Then for writing image, first we need to read the image. So that we'll create img variable, then is equal to cv2 dot imread. As we saw in previous video, we use imread function to read images. So kk.png, as it is in same folder, so I am giving, and as I want to read rbg. Now for writing image, we'll create one status variable so that we'll get image written or not. imwrite function, in that we will give path of image where we want to store. So I am giving knowledge Kida as path, knowledge Kida as folder, and image name as saved dot png, and second parameter will be variable name of that image. So I am write function returns boolean value, so that if image is returned to that path, then status will be true. If not, then it will be false. So we'll use if condition, if status, then we will print image return, and if not, then we will print failed. Okay, so see friends, we are not created knowledge Kida folder here, so let's run. Script will fail because we need that folder created previously. It is failed. It will not give any error if the path is not there, but it will return false as status. Then due to that we got failed. Now we will create folder name of knowledge Kida. Okay. Now we will again run the script. Now see image return. So let's see saved image. Yeah, see as it is written. Okay. If we want a grayscale image, we'll read as grayscale and we'll store as saved 1, and again run the script. Image return, we'll see saved 1. See, it is stored as grayscale. Okay. If you are unable to write that path, you are getting any errors, you can first import OS. Okay, and change the directory to that there using chdir function. In that, give the directory path. So I will give that directory path, and now we will run and save image as save 2. Okay, now see that also same one, image again return here. These are two ways. In these two ways you can write images. So in this way we are done with that new function imwrite function. So you want to explore more OpenCV, please subscribe our channel, like videos and share videos. Thank you.